Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan. We like to focus on budget-minded, relatable, creative builds. A little something I like to call offbeat hot rodding. Let me get the sun in my face here before we walk out of the shadow. But today, while I really want to pull Project Low Fairmont in the garage, if you watched, this is Sunday, by the way. What is it? February 16th, I believe. You may have just got done watching my live stream, the giveaway, the subscriber giveaway. So congratulations to those winners. If you have missed that and you aren't sure if you won, go watch that. I'll leave an info card up over here. Another thing you may notice is today I'm using the old DJI Osmo Action Cam. No external mics. This is just raw use of the camera as well as the audio. So this way you guys can get a sense for what that's like. See if it's right for you. If you think you like what you see and hear, I'll leave a link down in the description below to pick you up in your very own DJI Osmo Action Cams. Other reason is, I don't want to get way too much information, but my camera that I normally use over there is set up for something special for Project Low Fairmont. So today, all this episode is going to be, we're going to leave it brief, but I do need to move the Fairmont into place to do some awesome shots. So we'll be doing a cold start today. So why don't you come along with me? And although it is, it's not the best hardcore cold start settings out there, it is like almost 60 degrees today here in Northeast Kansas. Last time I drove it was about 2 weeks ago on Super Bowl Sunday. So anyway, let's I just wanted to give you guys some sort of content, so let's go do that. All right, so here we are, and good job me. I left this in here on Super Bowl Sunday because when snow collects on the windshield, it's very hard to see through. So I used that before I drove. But yeah, so I'll set up the camera here on the accelerator, so you guys can see. It's usually, honestly, it usually takes like one pump and this thing starts. So again, it's not like it's 12 degrees out or anything, so I understand this isn't like anything you guys are going to be really blown away by, but yeah, it's still a cold start, right? Okay, so it was 2 pumps after all, but still, it's pretty good for sitting idle for 2 weeks and let it warm up a little bit. But yeah, I got to move this car into position because got a special project coming up. Again, not going to tell you anything about that. Tune into the Car Guy and Six Fan Show, link in the description up over here, to Jason, Old Car Auto Guy's channel. If you don't already follow him, he's my co-host in that endeavor, so go check his channel out. But yeah, that's basically it. Power stroke. I'm going to put this behind the car a little bit so you can see how the microphone, no external mic, works from a sound perspective. But otherwise, that's it. Cold start video. Ha! If you want to find out more about Project Low Fairmont, I will leave some clips up here as well as here for you guys to check out. And otherwise, just that reminder, like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't really care which one you do, as long as you do one. It sure helps me out. That'll do it for this episode. And until next time, peace out.